Alright, little update where it's at. I got the bed, or the dust bed, all cut out. Got all the holes drilled and tapped. Sits on there. Still got to drill holes in the middle of this and put a bolt through to bolt it on. And this is where the Z's going to be. Still got to make a angle bracket that sits sort of here for the motor to sit. Got to put the spindle mount on, but I'll do that when the bed's all bolted on so that I can get it nice and square. Got to bolt the bearings on here and on the top. Got to still trim these off a bit to take some of the weight off. These are a bit long still, but otherwise we're getting pretty close. Got to make a spacer up to fit between here because these were slightly wrong heights, so it's a bit of 5mm aluminium for a spacer. Getting pretty close though.